Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and we're back today in Subnautica 2, so I can answer the question of, Larry, I'm hungry or I want to make some decorative coral ceramic jars. Where can I find coral shavings? It doesn't pop out of any of the plants I've been farming. It doesn't show up any of these other funny places. Like, where do I get these coral shavings? And the simple answer is you can find coral shavings in the exact same place that you used to find them in Subnautica 1 in order to make different, like, computer chips. So if we pop out of our tadpole here, you'll find that there's all sorts of coral around. There's this kind of coral, branching coral, can't do anything with that. What you're looking for are these big cut dragon scale coral, the big flat table ones that grow out of the sides of all of these caverns. And just go ahead and give that a few smacks. Each one's good for like 3 pieces of coral shavings, and they do respawn after a while. They kind of grow back. And then with these coral shavings, you've got a couple of options. The first one is you can use these coral shavings to craft coral mash, which feeds you for 65 food, which requires sugar of Saturn, which is made from lead. You can also use it to make some decorative ceramic jars from your furniture and decor section that are these lovely small coral jars that you can just stick wherever. You can just put it like right here. And we can even make a big one, a big honking one. We'll put him here. And these make for kind of fancy looking decor that's kind of blue, kind of purple. That's about it. I mean, it's good for food. It's good for decor, and that's how you get it. You just need a multi-tool, and you need to just go smash some of those table corals, those big red dragon scale, cut dragon scale coral, and then you're good. That'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and this is where you get delicious coral shavings. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.